Hi, good afternoon. It's me, Honorable Empress Fraser, chilling in nature. Today I want to say, yeah, giving thanks, for my staff, me, my staff, and I, yeah. So giving thanks. Today it's me, Honorable Empress Fraser, chilling in nature, giving thanks. And I want to, mm, I want to just analyze something. Maybe with you, because yeah, maybe you seeing the thing as I'm seeing it too. But I am becoming aware that men are somehow intimidated by women, becoming empowered. Yeah, I'm beginning to realize that they are becoming intimidated by women becoming empowered. And a man should not, you see, now you see that somebody that don't know themselves. That is how I see it, because why should you become intimidated by something out of you? Yeah, but a man should not be intimidated, which is supposed to be balanced, by the way. Something out of you is supposed to be balanced, because I mean, it's all about the balance. But when a woman, very important that the man, the men, know their role in this time, know, you know, themselves in this time. Very important, you know, very important that the men know their role and know their self in this time, you know, because it's each of us, that brings about the balance. And a man knowing his role, you know, he is the provider, he's the protector, and so forth. So you supposed to know your role as a man. No man should be, no man, no man should be entrapping another man. Sorry. Yeah, no man should be entrapping, sorry, another man. You know. Hmm. So, so when it comes to the whole aspect of, women empowering themselves, you know, I I find very much that that's a good thing, which is needed in this time. I find that's a very good thing which is needed in this time. Yeah.